Hello, my friends. As we know, English has been the most popular language in the world,
Yes, sir.
and English grammar is very much required to speak and write correct English.
Yes, sir.
So, as a reference, we are taking one of the best books, Essential Grammar in Use, published by Cambridge University Press UK. This book is designed for children and elementary students of English to enable them to understand the basic grammar topics. Today I am going to start unit number 28 and teach you how to use will, shall for the future in our day-to-day life. It's a part second. For example, I think I'll go to bed early. So, you should listen and watch this video carefully. Okay, well, let us get started now. Unit number 28, Will, Shall, Part 2, Section A. I'll carry it for you. Bye. I'll phone you tomorrow. Okay? You can use I'll. It means I will when you offer something or decide to do something. My bag is very heavy. I'll carry it for you. I'll phone you tomorrow. Okay? Okay, bye. We often say I think I'll, I don't think I'll when we decide to do something. I am tired. I think I'll go to bed early tonight. It's a nice day. I think I'll sit outside. It's raining. I don't think I'll go out. Do not use the present simple I go, I phone, etc. in sentences like these. I'll phone you tomorrow. Okay? Not I phone you. I think I'll go to bed early. Not I go to bed. Section B. Do not use I'll for something you decided before. I'm working tomorrow. Not I'll work. I don't want my car anymore. I'm going to sell it. Not I'll sell. What are you doing at the weekend? Not what will you do? Section C. Shall I? Shall we? That's the doorbell. Shall I go? No, it's okay. I'll go. Shall I? Shall we? Do you think this is a good thing to do? Do you think this is a good idea? It's very warm in this room. Shall I open the window? Shall I phone you this evening? Yes, please. I am going to a party tonight. What shall I wear? It's a nice day. Shall we go for a walk? Where shall we go for our holidays this year? Let's go out this evening. Okay, what time shall we meet? Now it's time for exercises. 28.1. Complete the sentences. Use I'll or I will plus these verbs. Carry, do, eat, show, sit, stay. Number 1. My bag is very heavy. I'll carry it for you. Number 2. I don't want this banana. Well, I am hungry. I'll eat it. Number 3. Do you want a chair? No, it's okay. I'll sit on the floor. Number 4. Did you phone Sophie? Oh no, I forgot. I'll do it now. Number 5. Are you coming with me? No, I don't think so. I'll stay here. Number 6. How do you use this camera? Give it to me and I'll show you. 28.2. Complete the sentences. Use I think I'll or I don't think I'll plus these verbs. Buy, go, have, play. Number 1. It's cold today. I don't think I'll go out. Number 2. I'm hungry. I think I'll have something to eat. Number 3. I feel very tired. I don't think I'll play tennis. Number 4. I like this hat. I think I'll buy it. Number 5. This camera is too expensive. I don't think I'll buy it. 28.3. Which is right? Number 1. I'll phone you tomorrow. Okay? Number 2. I haven't done the shopping yet. I'll do it later. Number 3. I like sport. I watch a lot of sport on TV. Number 4. I need some exercise. I think I'll go for a walk. Number 5. Carl is going to buy a new car. He told me last week. Number 6. This book belongs to Tina. Okay? I'll give it to her. Number 7. A. Are you doing anything this evening? B. Yes. I'm going out with some friends. Number 8. I can't go out with you tomorrow night. I am working. 28.4. Write sentences with shall I. Choose from the two boxes. Make, turn off, open, turn on. Some sandwiches, the TV, the light, the window. Number 1. It's very warm in this room. Shall I open the window? Number 2. This program isn't very good. Shall I turn off the TV? Number 3. I am hungry. Shall I make some sandwiches? Number 4. It's dark in this room. Shall I turn on the light? 28.5. Write sentences with shall we. Choose from the two boxes. What time, where, who, buy, invite, go, meet. Number 1. Let's go out tonight. Okay? What time shall we meet? Number 2. Let's have a holiday. Okay. Where shall we go? Number 3. Let's spend some money. Okay. What shall we buy? Number 4. Let's have a party. Okay. Who shall we invite? Now, this is the end of unit number 28. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe, like, share and comment on this video. I appreciate it. Good luck and happy learning. I'll see you in my next video, unit number 29. Till then, bye bye.